Hi everyone, Andrew here at Wiseline Tools. With the weather warming up, it's time to tackle those outdoor projects. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional landscaper, Wiseline Tools has everything you need. We carry a full lineup of pruners, chainsaws, hedge trimmers, blowers, edgers, string trimmers, and mowers. Take control of overgrown branches with tools like the Dewalt DC-PR 320 pruning shear, perfect for trimming those pesky branches that always seem to be getting in the way. Whether you're cleaning up the yard or working in the woods, the Milwaukee 2727 16-inch chainsaw delivers the power and performance you need. Shape and sculpt your greenery with precision using the Makita DUH651Z hedge trimmer, featuring a rotating rear handle with position stops at 0, 45, and 90 degrees for effortless trimming at any angle. Clear leaves and debris in no time with the Dewalt DC-VL777 60-volt blower, powerful enough to blow you and everything else away. Get the versatility you need with the Milwaukee 3016 Quick Lock Powerhead, easily transforming from an edger to trimmer and more. Whether you prefer push or self-propelled, we've got the perfect mower to handle any terrain. Visit Wiseline Tools in-store or online today and gear up for a great season of outdoor work.